Are you ready to read today? We're in comprehension check 4. This is our fourth one we've done. Remember, I don't want you to give up on these. We need to be reading every single day so we can become better readers. And this can count as your reading for today. Remember, you should be doing this 3 times. The first one, the adult can read or listen to Mrs. Masco. The second time, you should be reading with an adult. And the last time, all on your own. You will need some colors, remember. We're going to need red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. And my friends, the biggest thing I want you to remember for these, we should be writing complete sentences. Please don't just write the answer. I should be seeing capital letters and periods. We have to make sure we know how to do that for 2nd grade. So are you ready? Here we go. So I'm going to listen to Mrs. Masco read. Here we go. Carolyn is bored. Today she made homemade ice cream, flew a kite, and read a book about flowers. She can't decide what to do next. Carolyn's mom suggests they make bubbles. Carolyn is excited. She has never made bubbles before. Her mom tells her they need 4 cups of water. There's a fraction. Half cup of sugar and 1/2 cup of dish soap. Carolyn quickly adds the items to a bowl and mixes them. Carolyn's mom then creates a bubble wand by wrapping a piece of wire around a wooden handle. Her mom even makes a wand for herself. Carolyn dips the wand in the bubble soap and creates a large bubble. They spend the afternoon chasing bubbles and making new memories. That would be so much fun. Maybe if you guys have time today, there's that recipe to try that. That would be really cool. So we did it once. The second time, you're going to read it with Mrs. Masco. Our hardest word is actually the girl's name, Carolyn. Carolyn is the girl's name in the story. And I always say don't get stuck on it. You can always just call it her first initial C. But we're going to do this together, so I want to hear you. Ready? Go. Carolyn is bored. Today she made homemade ice cream, flew a kite, and read a book about flowers. She can't decide what to do next. Carolyn's mom suggests they make bubbles. Carolyn is excited. She has never made bubbles before. Her mom tells her they need 4 cups of water, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 1/2 cup of dish soap. Carolyn quickly adds the items to a bowl and mixes them. Carolyn's mom then creates a bubble wand by wrapping a piece of wire around a wooden handle. Her mom even makes a wand for herself. Carolyn dips the wand in the bubble soap and creates a large bubble. They spend the afternoon chasing bubbles and making new memories. Okay, that was the second time. And what are you supposed to do for the 3rd star? Read it on your own. The more you read, the better you're going to read. So make sure you pause it, read it, and then mark in the star. And I'm going to go ahead and start this next part, but please pause the video and make sure you're reading that on your own. Okay, so here we go. Number 1, it says use a red. What does Carolyn's mom suggest? What did she suggest to do? Can you find it? Can you find it? Can you find it? Yes, Carolyn's mom suggests they make bubbles. So is there any reason we're spelling anything wrong? No, and I don't want to just see you over here write the word bubbles. It has to be a complete sentence. So what does Carolyn's mom suggest? So Carolyn's mom suggests making bubbles. So you have all the words here. You have to start with a capital letter and end with a period. Ready? Carolyn's mom suggests, it's right there. Suggest or suggests. Suggest, and then making bubbles. It's right here. Making, ing, bubbles. bubbles. Don't forget what at the end, a period. Good job. Let's try the next one, number 2. What do they need to make bubbles? What do we need? What did they need? Do you see it? They need water. What else? Sugar and dish soap. Okay, can I just write water, sugar, dish soap? No, 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 no. You have to do a complete sentence. So they need, and then here are your words. So nothing should be getting spelled wrong. Ready? They, T-H-E-Y, with a capital letter, need. Ready? And then water, sugar, and dish soap are right here. Water, there's a pause. What do I need to put? Comma, sugar, comma, and dish soap. And then if you want to write to make bubbles, you could, or you could just end it with a period there. Okay, let's get our yellow. What does Carolyn's mom create? What did she create? Do you see it? Ready? Carolyn's mom then creates a bubble wand. So there's our bubble wand. Our words we need to spell right. So am I just going to write bubble wand? You better be saying no. So Carolyn's mom creates a bubble wand. Ready? Carolyn's mom creates a bubble wand. So I got it. Carolyn's mom creates, and then a bubble wand. I started with the capital letter, and I ended with the period. Okay, let's do green. How do they spend the rest of the afternoon? What did they do the rest of the afternoon? They spend the afternoon chasing bubbles and making new memories. Okay. So they spend the, I'm going to do afternoon, chasing bubbles and making memories. Okay. So I'm just copying. That's what makes it so easy when you do a complete sentence. They spend the afternoon. Then chasing bubbles is over here. Don't forget, you can pause me if I'm going fast. Bubbles and making memories. That's kind of small right there. Highlight and write 2 nouns from the story. Remember, nouns, person, place, or thing. There is a lot of nouns in the stories. I'm just going to pick out 2. I'm going to pick out 2. Oh, I see the word kite. Kite is a thing. K-I-T-E. I'm going to find a small word for us. What else could we do? Oh, I see the word bowl. Bowl is a thing. B-O-W-L. Again, make sure we're taking the time to read this and making complete sentences. Second grade teachers will be so much happier if we do that. Hope you did a great job.